better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout, I'm telling you why. Because it's the time of year for my favourite Christmas recipes. This Christmas, my recipes are inspired to be quick, easy, and of course, keeping with traditional festive style. Crumpets, potatoes and leeks, lamb chops, baked salmon, and of course tea and biscuits. So dust off the snow, get your pen and paper ready, and prepare to indulge this Christmas. That is traditionally with homemade croutons. Oh, no. Huh? No. 2 words, potato and leek, or is it leek and potato? Today I'll be serving a warm, creamy soup that's traditionally served on a cold winter's night and is Welsh in origin. Today I'll be serving mine with homemade crusty croutons, crispy bacon and chives. You will need 2 large potatoes, 2 leeks, half an onion, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 3/4 cup of cream, day-old bread, 2 strips of bacon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of chives. To begin, we're going to add a little oil to our pan and we're going to saute down our vegetables, which consists of leeks, potatoes, and onions. We're going to season that with a little salt and pepper, and then we're going to add our broth. And then we're going to simmer that for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to let that cool for a little bit, and then we're going to add it to our liquidizer and we're going to make that all smooth and creamy. So depending on your preference, you can use a hand blender, a liquidizer, or even one of those handheld liquidizers. Depends on your preference whether you like it really smooth and creamy or a little bit chunky. My croutons, how I did that, I had day-old bread and then I just had a little olive oil and salt and pepper. Once they were toasted in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, I garnished with a little Parmesan cheese. Delicious. We're going to go ahead and garnish with our crispy bacon pieces and our homemade seasoned croutons with a sprinkling of chives. Yum. The thickness of the broth paired with the cream and the saltiness of the bacon is the perfect supper for a snowy, cold winter's night. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and comment below. Subscribe and ring that bell. Come back and see me next Friday and every Friday after that for some more dated recipes with me, Rachel Caron. Happy Christmas. Toodle pip. Yummy. Delish.